So, hello friends. Well, today's question was about synergia. So, synergia basically is related to the nerves. It's a referred pain, radiating pain through the nerves. Okay, and once we go to the generalities, pain, neuralgic, okay, and synalgia. So synalgia is basically a generalized pain. Means if you have a difficulty or a pain at a particular nerve, and from that particular region that pain radiates all over the body. So that's why synalgia comes under chapter generalities. So once we go more deeper to that, pain, generalities, pain, neuralgia, synalgia, then you have only three remedies. And if you try to understand why there are tarantula and apis mellifica, okay. So before going to go to the remedy, I am going to tell you what is happening into the pathophysiology or pathology of synalgia. So synalgia, the words come from the synapses, and you know what do you mean by synapses. Synapses means nothing but you know you know we can say a neurotransmission. It's a neurons at the end of the nerves, and because the neurotransmission you will get the sensation. Okay, because of that hyperesthesia, because of oversensitivity or the degeneration of the nerve endings, means there is a damage, there is a destruction at the synaptic level, at the synapses level, at the nerve ending, and because of that you are not able to transmit the sensation to the nerves. Your nerve endings are not able to transmit the sensation, and that's why where there is a degeneration, then there is a severe burning, severe generalized neuralgic shifting, changing, burning pain all over the body, stinging, shifting, burning. All these are the characteristic of a nerve pain, typical nerve pain that we call as a neuralgia. And from here the uh, synalgia comes. So what exactly happening into the synalgia at the end of nerve ending? So adrenaline is very very important to transmit the nerves. So once you know that, what we need to understand, zinc sulfate, cuprum, silver, all these are the contents which are covered by the we can say a synaptic endings, we can covered by the synapses. Okay, and if there is a destruction or the degeneration, means all this content which helps or work as a very good neurotransmitter, that get damaged. And once there is a lacking of all these things, which causing you severe burning pain. Now the question arises that into the synalgia, why only tarantula and apis mellifica is given. So tarantula or any kind of a we can say any kind of a spider or bees, into their toxins or into their venoms, they have a typical neurotoxins. That neurotoxins causing a hyperesthesia of the nerve endings or a hyperesthesia of the synaptic endings. And once there is a hyperesthesia, once there is a neurotoxins which is going to damage your neurotransmitter, which is going to damage your synapses, will cause you a synalgia. Okay, so this is a very very important rubric. You can use it in herpes zoster, you can use it in acute demyelination disease, you can use it in chronic demyelination, multiple sclerosis, or we can say neurotransmitter, any kind of a neurotransmitter diseases, especially happening in lack of zinc, lack of calcium, lack of cuprum, means silver, or we can say a generalized anemia where there is a lacking of all these things. So neuralgic pain or chronic nerve diseases, you can use this rubric. Okay, so this is the basic pathology behind the tarantula and apis mellifica. So why this is important? Other important points behind the venoms already described by Dr. Aslam Ali Pharmacode. So you can go through it, and you must need to understand the synapses. Synapses is a very very important topic. Okay, thank you so much.